Okay, so here we will be working with account lockout policy. What is account lockout policy? Account lockout policy says that whenever any user, let's just come here to this computer on server, let's verify our users first. So just take HR department. So we have HR1, HR2. Let's come here to the client machine. Okay, or log in with HR1. Okay. So here you can see that HR1 is able to log in successfully. So this is Windows 10 machine, a client of DC. So first time user take times to load the desktop settings. So you can see this is HR1. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to log off. So after log off, what I'm going to do, I'll check the login attempts with this HR user. So maybe I'm here one time wrong password. Okay, now you can put second time wrong password, third time wrong password, 4, nothing is going to happen. Okay, so what is the problem here? The account is not logged yet. So what action you have to take to configure these kinds of miss happening in the organization, that no one should try with the wrong username and password to access your domain controller server. Okay, let's verify this HR1 first. It's not locked if you'll put wrong attempts many times, so it take little bit. Yes, and now see, after trying wrong attempts, see, is account is not logged, still you are able to log in. So here what I will do, I will come on DC1 to configure the policy. So what I will do, I'll come to my server manager. In server manager I will open group policy. In group policy I'll come to default domain policy, right click, edit. In edit I will come here to computer policies. Window settings. Security settings. Account policies, account lockout policy, this place. So here we have to define this account lockout threshold. So what I will do, I'll put account lockout threshold 3 at account lockout threshold, and here it is asking that if account is locked, so after how much time it will enable automatically. So 13, and reset counter will start also from 30. So it's the same thing. Okay, after that you close it, close GP update force. See here what is the problem in the computer policy. Suppose I am here on the computer policy, group policy management. In group policy management, if whenever, see, you have two type of policy, computer configuration and user configuration. So sometime if it is virtual, see, we are working in a virtual environment, not real. So if it is virtual environment, so when you apply user kind of policies from here, so when you run GP update, automatically it applies. But when you run computer configuration policies, so sometime it applies and sometime is asked for the restarting of the machines. So if it will apply after GP update, it's okay. If not, then we'll restart the machine. So come here, okay, one more command we can run here, GP update force. Log off. Okay, now we are on the window machine. Now we are trying one time wrong password, two time wrong password, three time wrong password. See, now it is, the referred account is currently logged out and may not be logged into. Now see, now it is logged on, and now if I am trying to put correct password, okay, if you will see here, let me show you, this is the correct password what I am using, and see, account is logged out. Now what will happen? So he has to wait till 30 minutes because his account is locked for 30 minutes. Now maybe you will say, by mistake the account is logged, right? So you have to call to administrator. Now administrator will come to the server. See how it works actually in banks. Maybe your bank account is logged due to wrong attempts of your passwords. So your account will be logged, you have to write an application to the bank, then it will go to the bank administrator, then he will come to the server. Okay, he will open your account from Active Directory, users and computer, and he will come to see, okay, your account is HR1, right? So if you go to the properties of HR1, you will see here account. Can you see here, the account is currently logged out on this Active Directory domain controller. See, if you will right click on another user, you will not get this option, see, in account. Okay, so here you have to come to HR1 to, if you want to unlock his account after receiving, so you just click on this, unlock the account, apply, okay, and refresh the GP update. Now when he will come here, this user, and now he can try with the correct username and password. See, he is able to log in. Why? Because his account, you have unlocked it. So this is the process of account lockout policy. If any account is logged, by default he has to wait as per the timing what you have given. If not, maybe like, see, we have given just for 30 minutes, but you can give for 1 day, 10 days, 7 days, 10 days, 1 month. So user cannot log in till 10 months, till 1 month. So you, if you are administrator, if you have the application from the user that by mistake it has been logged, so you have to come here in account, and here you have to click here to unlock account. So after that he will be able to log in. Okay, so this is all about account lockout policy. Okay, thank you.